Before we begin the process of using the gas-powered pump, now is a good time to visually inspect the manifolds, tanks, hoses, and hose reels for leaks and worn out or damaged parts. Once that is done, check the oil level for the pump. The oil reservoir is located on the back of the pump. Using the dipstick, check the oil level in the Honda engine. After checking both oil levels, we move on to the regulators. Ensure that the Zeta 120 regulator bail is pushed back. You also need to make sure the brass Gamma 242 regulator bail is pulled forward. Next, open the suction valve for the tank you want to use, as well as a return valve for the tank you want to return water to. Here, we are sucking from tank 1 and returning to tank 1. You can also transfer liquid to another tank by opening the return to another tank instead of tank 1. Open the valve for the gas-powered pump. On the Honda engine, located on the side is the choke, the throttle, and the ignition. Turn the ignition and start the engine. If necessary, pull the choke lever forward and turn the ignition until the engine starts. Once the engine has started, push the choke lever back. Once the engine has reached operating temperature, increase engine speed by pulling the throttle lever towards you. Pull the Zeta 120 regulator bail forward and push the brass Gamma 242 bail backwards. Keep the Zeta 120 regulator pressure setting to the upper end of your working pressure. You are then able to adjust the pressure by turning the knob on the brass regulator. Turn the knob clockwise to increase pressure and counterclockwise to decrease pressure. Open the valve to the hose reel you want to use. The hose reel is now ready to operate. To turn the pump and motor off, reverse this process. Close the hose reel valve. Pull the brass Gamma 242 regulator bail forward and push the Zeta 120 regulator bail backwards. Using the throttle on the engine, idle it down for 30 to 60 seconds. Finally, turn the ignition off.